Hi there, welcome back to week 3 of the Younger Lagoon Reserve internship. So I'm sitting out here in the middle of the coastal prairie on the lower terrace at Younger Lagoon Reserve, and I'm sitting right in the middle of a patch of creeping wild rye, or Elymus triticioides. This grass has proven to be quite the workhorse here at Younger Lagoon and has been really just thriving in many of the areas. This is partially because of how it spreads, so it spreads both through seeds as well as through rhizomes, as well as its perfect adaptations to this area. So creeping wild rye, or Elymus triticioides, can handle some salinity in the soil, so we're right next to the coast, maybe 150 yards from the ocean. So there's definitely some salt in the air here, and it can also handle some serious moisture in the ground. It actually requires some moisture in the ground for it to live. And at Younger Lagoon, we have a number of seasonal wetlands which provide both the salinity and the moisture that this plant needs to thrive.
This is Lupinus varicolor, or many-colored lupin. It is native to California, with habitats restricted to northern coastal scrub and coastal prairie habitats. It is also endemic to California. This plant also is host to the endangered mission blue butterfly. It is not the only host, but it is one of the hosts. This time of year, the flowers are switching from flower and going into seed. So you will likely see many of these with seed pods on them and not flowers.
This is Navarretia squarosa, also known as skunkweed. It is a native plant from British Columbia down through California. It's an annual plant growing from 10 to 60 centimeters tall, and it is in the Polymoniaceae family. It's most notable for its skunk-like smell, and it is found in many habitat types, from rocky or gravelly soils to slopes to wet areas. Give it a look when you're out on your hike.